Hey, good morning, South Sudanese. This is Ruth Nyalel Jimmy Sky, and then I'm coming out today to talk to musicians because I thought it's important that I can share this message with them. First, there's 5 things that I will ask if our South Sudanese are really doing or they're not doing them. And these are 5 things that if you do as a musicians, you will be able to grow your music beyond South Sudan. And one of them is use social media the right way. You know very well, I don't want to point all this, but are you using social media the right way, you that musician? Or are you using it the wrong way? If you use it the right way, your music will grow. Second, network in the real world. South Sudan alone will not take you forward. But you have to go to the real world. Look at the best musicians. What are they doing for them to be where they are today? Or what is it? At least have that aggressive, be aggressive, have the hunger of you want to be successful. You want your music to be heard all over the world. I think this is the second thing that if you do, your music will be all over the world. Third, collaborate with other artists. I think that is one of the biggest problems that South Sudanese musicians have. If you don't collaborate with your own brother, then who will take your music forward? If you don't do remixes, if you don't have or promote unity, love, togetherness, teamwork, you think you will be somewhere? Of course, you will remain where you are, and it will always be noise, just like you're making noise on social media. Fourth, seeds demons. Make tracks, make remixes, share them on social media, make blogs, just come out, label them, look for the best DJs, look for the best promoters. At least throw your music outside there. Let your music be found easily. Not all, some people, they're putting their music really very hard. It's very hard for us to access your music sometimes on YouTube. Or even you put a lot of restriction. Somebody, if you have a hunger, you want to see this song, then because there's a lot of restriction, you just get a nice, let it be. The 5th one is music education. If you do these 5 things, I believe your music, you will not make noise because you will not have that time to make noise. The only time you will have is to make sure, I want to send, produce this music, I want to record this music, I want to share with this. Not time of, you have time, you come to social media and waste time abusing other colleagues, other musicians. No. And the coming of other foreign artists is actually a big achievement and is very, very important for you, South Sudanese musician. You will see that performing live. You will be able to talk to them. And then you can more collaborate with them. This is the time for you to sit down and come up with the very best song that will attract these people. Will attract these musicians that are already famous. And then you'll make a collab with them. And then they'll be able to send your music outside there. Share your music with them. And then reduce too much of local singing in local languages. If you only want to be South Sudanese musician, if you want to be a Dinka musician, only sing for only Dinka people. If you want to be a musician for only Equatoria, sing for Equatoria people. If you want to really be a musician for Nuer people, sing for Nuer people. But if you want to be a world musician, especially a South Sudanese musician, most of the people, they are just tribalists. They are just singing with their own language. It's high time that even us South Sudanese, we are 64 tribes, we are so many. If again you come out and you sing in Arabic or you sing in English, we'll be able to do what? To promote also your music, and we send it forward. But now, if somebody wants this very nice songs, but because we cannot hear them, they're in their local languages, then it's really hard for us to do what? To get this music. or to be able to promote you or be proud of you. And that's what is making a lot of artists not to go forward. A second one, hatred. You are coming on social media, you are abusing yourself. This is not time of abusing yourself, because the more you abuse other fellow artists, the more your fans are dropping you. So this is not time of a senior person. Seniority should come with what kind of a music you are doing. Outside there, I'm proud of you, Mary Boyoy, because you are taking our country forward. I don't care of what kind of music you sing. I don't care how many people are mocking you, but you're going boundaries. You're going beyond South Sudan, and that's what we want. Take it us there. Thank you to John Frog. Whatever you are doing, you are taking us forward. And thank you to Achewir for bringing this other musician. Though a lot of people are really talking bad about all this thing, but bringing this foreign artist to our country is a big achievement for this. It's a very big achievement. If this musician will see it in a positive way, then they'll really be very successful. So it depends to you other artists outside there. Are you seeing it? Stop seeing the coming of foreign artists in a negative way. Start seeing it in a positive way, and you'll be successful, because you'll be able to talk to them face to face. You'll be able to meet with them. You'll be able to see what are they doing for them to be in the level where they are today. So unity, promote love, togetherness, hard work, teamwork, and the 5 things I say. Make sure you collaborate, or you go to the real world, not go beyond your locals, communities' music. Come out and sing as a musician, because it's your fans are not only South Sudanese alone. So come out and just sing in a language that everybody will be able to hear, because those messages, they are very, very important. Thank you so much.